Investigator, Mr. Salgado asked you a couple of questions about the painting of Count Wiley's office. Remember that?
Yes, sir.
And you said that it was done under the shared services agreement between the city of West New York and the township of Bergen. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, Investigator, do you remember on November 14, 2012, you and Gary Brown actually went to the West New York Town Hall and served the subpoena on the town attorney about shared service agreements?
Yes.
And the attorney was Gilberto Garcia?
Yes.
And you remember a copy, if I showed you a copy of the subpoena, you remember the subpoena, right? Yes, sir. Okay, I'll show you a couple of this. I'm going to break this up. This, I'm showing you the first page. This is a copy of the report. Do you recognize that?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you need the report to refresh your memory, or do you remember going up to West New York?
Yes, I just don't recall specifically that it was for that document.
Okay.
I recall going.
Okay, so you go to West New York on November 14, 2012, is that right? You and Detective Garrett Brown, is that correct? You go to West New York Town Hall, and that's located on 60th Street in West New York.
Yes.
Okay. And in fact, you brought a subpoena regarding shared service agreement between West New York and Bergen, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you remember on December 7, 2012, going back to West New York,
Yes.
meeting Mr. Garcia, by the way.
Yes.
And if I didn't ask you, you already, Gilberto Garcia is the town attorney for the city of West New York, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Showing you, here's a copy of your subpoena. You recognize the subpoena?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is one of those subpoena duces statements. That's looking for material, right?
Documents.
Right. Okay. And then specifically, if you look at what would be called your Schedule A, exactly what you wanted, you specifically asked for any papers regarding any shared service agreement. Is that right?
Yes, sir. Detective Brown.
I just get that. Okay. But again, once again, you and Brown are like peanut butter and jelly on this, right?
In this specific issue, yes.
Okay. Actually, throughout this course of the investigation, peanut butter and jelly, right?
Not on every event.
But for the most part,
Yes.
okay. And you had the chance to review what Mr. Garcia provided to you as an answer with regard to that there is no shared service agreement between North Bergen and West New York.
I never reviewed this.
That affirmation in response to your subpoena tells you that there is no shared services agreement between North Bergen and West New York. That's right. So, when James Wiley told you that his son's office was painted under that shared agreement, it sounds like it's incorrect, is that right?
I don't recall or remember who exactly told us that, but I do recall that this was not pursued because it was a shared agreement. I never read that document, saying that there really wasn't.
So, you never pursued it because you never believed there was a shared agreement, is that right?
No, it was pursued based on my knowledge that there was a shared agreement. I never saw that letter that there wasn't.
It's fair to say that I got this from you, is that right?
Yes.
Right, and this is a response to your subpoena, is that right?
That's correct.
So on, what's today's date? June the 9th, 2015, you're telling us this is the first time that you've read the affidavit that says that there was no shared services agreement. Today, June 9th, 2015, that this is the first time that you're aware of the fact that there is no shared service agreement. Is that right? So, how is Count Wiley's rule taken by North Bergen?
I guess legally based on that.